I did a very stupid thing last night with this compressor. There was a little knurled nut in there that you loosened off to drain the water from the compressor. I loosened it off and nothing was happening, and I kept screwing and the bastard thing come out. It covered me in dirty, stinking compressor water and oil, and the part's gone into orbit. I've got no idea where it's gone, so I'm going to have to make another one. Just it'll be like a little needle valve, I would imagine, in there. There'll be, so I can see a seat in the bottom of there. And that rubber tube, plastic tube, obviously goes into the bottom of the tank where all the water and the oil collects. That looks like 8 BSP thread in there. We'll find out, and then we'll see if we can make a nice little valve for it. Right, I've had a closer look at this. The seat that's in the bottom of there is actually 1/4 inch. There's a 1/4 inch hole through there, and the thread is actually 10mm by 1. That's a 10 by 1 tap, which is quite a common thread in motor trade actually. It's a 10 by 1, and I have got a 10 by 1 die, which makes the job quite easy. So I'll find a little bit of probably bronze bar, and we'll put some threads on and see if we can make a nice little bleed nut to go in there. Then I've got a piece of nice bronze bar here. The threaded part needs to be 18mm long. I want that down to 10mm for a length of 18. You see the way it's coming off, the chips are curling nicely. It's not coming off in a spray like ordinary brass wood. A little bit of a measure just to make sure. All I'm going to do is zero the caliper on the tap, bastard thing. Zero the caliper on the bastard thing. That gives a 10mm. Zero. If we'll measure on here and give us a direct indication how much I want of it. And it wants another 1.7 off there. 0.5 on, that takes the 1 off. On 0.45, 1.2 cut on. Right, that's cock on 0, so that means it's now 10mm. Put a little lead on for the die to start on. Very slippy stuff this. You need a new file to file brass and bronze. This is a split die, and I've got it set on fully open so it'll cut a slack thread or a tight thread. Then we can adjust it from there. Not sure how good this die is, just a cheap one, but it seems to be doing the job quite nicely. I'm sure the green snot helps as well. That looks reasonable. I like it. I need to put a point on here now so it goes into the valve seat. We're going to turn this down to 8 mil so that's clearance. It's at 10 now. Right, so that's now hitting the little seat that's in there. All I want now is a taper on it. 45-degree taper should do quite nicely. Just using that, angle it back a little bit like that. Door angle I think will be right, and I think that'll be right. There, I can feel that hitting the seat, so that should be good. I'm going to put a little knurl finish on there now. Oh, you bastard. And then part it off. And the knurling tool, nice and slow. So for John, that's quite nice. Probably shouldn't have my hand in there, but I have. Right. One little valve. The background noise you can hear is my little Banggood diesel heater, which is doing a splendid job of keeping me warm. The PTFE tape on there. Not forgetting the pickup pipe. A little bit of thread seal as well, won't do any harm at all. Right. There's a drain here, so it points out the bottom like that. Close the little valve off. And we'll turn it on and see if we've got a good seal. A little bit of soapy water in there, and that's not leaking, so I'm quite happy with that. So the drain valve back in place. What will happen is now I'll find the one I lost. That's what normally happens. Definitely no leaks. It's up to 80 psi now. and build up and cuts out. I think it's set for 8 bar. Yeah, just over 8 bar, 120 psi. Very happy. Nice little compressor unit. Need to make a handle for that little valve there, that's the on-off valve. Very nice. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it is very important. But it's nowhere near as important as taking stock of what's going on around you, especially what's going on inside your head. I keep banging on about this mental health thing. It needs banging on about because this is a really bad time of year for anybody suffering with depression. I had my fair share this last year. It got to the stage where I was going to stop doing videos and everything. I just sort of, but thanks to medical intervention, I suppose, some drugs, but mainly friends and family, support. The support's there, help is available. Blokes are renowned for not getting help for anything. Medically, you know, like medical as well, but mental, like there's a stigma about it and it just shouldn't be there. Anyway, thanks for watching. I wish you all the very best for 2026 and I'll see you again. I'll see you before then because I'll see you on New Year's Eve. Anyway, thanks for watching.